at the IWF International Woodworking Fair in Atlanta, a premier event for quality and innovation in the U.S. We present today's innovations and the future of wood solutions inspired by nature and powered by technology to customers from around the world. As a representative of our country in the new face of woodworking in America, we take pride in showcasing our deep-rooted experience combined with modern technology to highlight the latest industry developments and innovative solutions.